Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change 2011 Chevy Impala battery, easy method. Start by parking on level ground, setting the parking brake, and wearing safety glasses and gloves to protect against acid. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive, and keep terminals from touching metal. Remove the battery, hold down, and lift the battery straight up using both hands. Clean the tray and terminals before installing the new battery securely. First, loosen the clamp and remove any bolts or brackets holding the battery in place, and keep the positive terminal covered. Lift the battery straight up using a carrier or two hands, avoiding tilting to prevent spills. Inspect the tray and cable ends for corrosion, and clean them with a baking soda and water paste if needed. Properly dispose of the old battery at a recycling center or automotive store. In this video, I will show how to change 2011 Chevy Impala battery, easy method. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and saving for repairs, and it pairs nicely with DIY car work. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the book link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Set the new battery into the tray with the terminals oriented for easy cable connection, and ensure the battery sits flat and secure. Reattach the positive terminal first, tighten the clamp, then connect the negative terminal and fully tighten both clamps. Reinstall the hold-down clamp and ensure the battery cannot move. Wipe any spilled acid, apply dielectric grease to terminals, and start the car to verify a good connection and clean operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.